Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are installing another nice dashboard camera, integrated dashboard camera. This time for a Mercedes GLC made in 2018. So the guys from Mangoal sent me this camera. It comes with GPS module. It also comes with a rear traffic camera, a micro SD card included, a trim removal tool. Yeah, everything you need is in the box. Let me just quickly show you the contents of the package before starting the installation. So in the package you will get the main camera unit, which comes like this. So this is how the plastic trim on the back of the Mercedes GLC looks like. So the guys from Mangoal have integrated the camera. On the bottom we have two buttons, one for on off, one for making a quick picture, a quick snapshot, and on this part, on this side, the micro SD card slot. And the guys from Mangoal included in the package a card that has a capacity of 128 gigs, which is very nice because we will need all this capacity because we have two cameras. So this is the camera for the back. It comes with a long cable. Is plug and play on both ends, which means that it's very simple to get the cable all the way in the back. We also get an instructions manual, as I've said, the trim removal tool, the GPS module, and of course a cable, which is a bypass made in order to get the electric current from the cable, the original cable of the car, onto the cameras. So this is the package, complete, full package. We have a dedicated app on our phone. I'm going to show you all of that. So let's start with the installation. The first step we have to do is take off this cap, this plastic cap, and it has some clips on the side that are very easy to remove. And then we have to remove this small cap as well. It's also held in place by some clips. It's a bit difficult. You have to be careful because these two small clamps right here might have a problem, might break. Okay, so now the first part of the installation is complete, so to speak. Next we have to put this in place, but before we have to disconnect the main wire. Let's see. So the main wire is in this area and it goes off very easy. Now we have to take this wire, we have to connect it here. Okay, then we need to connect the white part over here like this, and this part should go into the power plug of the camera, of the unit. So now the camera is connected and you heard the sound. So basically it's on. And before we put the camera into position, my advice is to install the micro SD card first, because it might be a bit hard if you install it after you put the camera in the final position. Yeah, so the camera already started recording, which is great. Yeah, so eventually I managed to fix this in place. Yeah, it doesn't seem to have any problem. I will fix this in place only after all the wires are connected and everything is okay. And now I'm going to set up the app. I already have it installed from my previous video. If you want to set up the app, you have to download the VJur. This is how it's called. And we have to connect to the Wi-Fi connection of the camera. The password should be in the instructions manual. The connection should be fast, and now we should have the recorder. Yeah, we should have the camera, and voila, it's working. Let's remove the cover, and the cover is removed. And this is how the dash cam looks like. We can, with this app, we can change various settings like the volume of the speaker, the photo resolution, the video resolution. You can use 4K or Full HD for the back, 2K Full HD, and so on. Parking monitor sensor, parking monitor time, Wi-Fi, and of course the length of the videos, which has a default duration of 1 minute. So this is one step. Now let's fix the other camera, the back camera, in place and show you how everything works, how it records and stuff like that. Before you install the rear camera in its final position, you have to make sure that the screen is not upside down before the installation. So what does this mean? It means that you have to try out the camera first to see which is the correct position. So this is wrong and this is the right position. We are going to install it in this position, and after that we will also connect the GPS. So the installation is complete. We installed the GPS, we installed the rear view camera, and this is how it works. Once we are connected, we open up the video app, and in this app we will be connected, and in this app we will have all the necessary informations about the location of the car, yeah, the speeding if we are going to cruise. I'm just going to set the speeding unit to kilometers per hour. Yeah, we have all the settings right here. Exposure, time stamp, collision sensoring, parking monitor. Yeah, we can use the parking monitor, the timing monitor. The default setting for the recording is set up at 1 minute. We set it up at 3 minutes. So everything is integrated, everything is seamless. Yeah, no cables, nothing. These ones are going to go under this textile roof, this textile sealant, and yeah, everything will be perfect. I've set the settings for the video 4K for the front and Full HD for the back. Both cameras are loop recording. So let's go on and have a test drive. So let's have a test drive and show you how everything works. Of course, I'm going to use some nighttime footage. Yeah, this is the camera, looks very, very nice. And as you can see in the app, we have the speeding 59 kilometers, 58. Yeah, it's the same speed of the vehicle. This is very, very nice. And in real time we can switch from the front to the back camera, which is also recording. All the recordings will have the date, the hour, everything you need is there. Yeah, this is very, very nice. The videos are crisp, the quality is high. So if for some reason you will have problems with a car, camera system will record everything and you will be safer on your journey. Let's make a turn right here. Okay. Unfortunately, it is the morning and there are not that many cars. So we have the location, which is very, very nice. We have the speeding, we have the real-time location of the car, where it goes, and these journeys are all recorded. So you have the starting point, the destination, you have everything using the GPS. The same goes with the night driving. This is how the camera is recording at night. Very good quality, very nice, and overall a product, a must-have product for your car if you want safer trips. Another great thing about the rear camera is that no matter how you park your car, you will get recordings from two sides. So this is the Mangoal dash cam dedicated for Mercedes GLC 2018. It's a nice system to have, a nice device. It fits perfectly. It comes with GPS, it comes with rear camera, with a micro SD card. All the recordings are safely stored on the card. You can access them using the app, and you can buy the product using the link in the video description. Thank you for your time, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.